So the afternoon garden fairies have gathered to celebrate a special birthday for our great little fairy named Zoe. Join us to this happy celebration. In a far, far away, in a magical place, sits a small little fairy with a sweet, smiling face. She awaits the arrival of the friends on her list to come and play in her games. It will be too much fun to miss. Take the second star to the right and fly on till dawn. Clap your hands, close your eyes, make a wish, come along. With fun food to eat and fun games to play, fun magic show and a bubble show. Now, think of all the happiest things. It's the same as having pixie wings. The magic starts now. Gateway to Neverland. You provide the patent track, we'll provide the pixie dash. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the birthday fairy of the afternoon, Zoe! Okay, everybody, please clap your hands. I have Zoe, Mommy Ed, and Daddy Chris, of course, with Ate Amy here on stage. Wow, we're Zoe. Ay, andito na pala. Okay, so this is her birthday girl. Okay, happy birthday Zoe and also belated happy birthday Ate Amy. Okay, happy birthday. Okay, friends, can we greet Amy and Zoe a happy birthday? At the count of 3, let's greet them a happy birthday. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Sorry, Zoe and Amy. Okay, just say happy birthday. Louder this time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
Happy birthday!
Thank you, Mommy and Daddy. Thank you, Zoe, and thank you, Amy. Okay? So let's start the party with a warm-up game. Ayan, so kids, you have to sit down here in front. Kung hindi kayo upo dito, wala kayong prize, okay?